Let me introduce to you heavy-duty ratcheting screwdriver from Bovidix. The set includes a total of 21 beads and 2 extension bars. Screwdriver is made with chrome molybdenum gears. It has 2 material handle, rubber and plastic. Reverse direction switch with left, right and locked positions, as well as magnet for holding beads in place. Now for the content. 19 1-inch beads, 3 Phillips, 3 slot, 3 square, 5 hexagonal and 5 Torx or star, 2 2-inch Phillips and slot beads, 2-inch extension magnetic bead holder, and 6-inch flexible extension that bends 45 degrees with a sleeve for effortless driving. This set is suitable for professional use and for special applications. It comes with patented Multibox system S-size metal box.